Good evening, all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So, before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Fayaz Khalid, and I'm a practicing advocate at Delhi High Court, Supreme Court, and other district courts. Today, on behalf of Advocates Media Foundation, I'm going to represent the motto of the organization and further why this internship is created and why law students are invited to join the program. So, Advocates Media Foundation was launched on 2016, and since 2016, it has been working constantly for the welfare of legal fraternity. The time when the organization was founded, the motto was to create such kind of database as Wikipedia is. So, in the realm of constituting Wikipedia, we, on behalf of organization, have gathered more than 16 lakh data on behalf of organization for the legal databases. So those data which are more than 16 lakh, majority of them are contributed by the law students, lawyers, and those who are the law aspirants, academicians like professors. All of them have gathered lots of information in the form of article, in the form of case summaries, observation, bare acts, and other informations. So not only India but abroad, a lot of students have contributed lot of information. And every year we create new opportunities every month and invite students to join organization motto and contribute for the welfare of legal fraternity. Presently, you are as a law student, maybe contributing whatever the need, whatever the assignments are. Later on, once you become an advocate or you are enrolled, there is also a need to go in practice, to go in corporate sector. So we have also created for those who are new lawyer, who are upcoming lawyer, and we are providing opportunity for everyone. All of you who are available today, your name is referred by your institution, Lloyd Law College, and whatever your activity will be on behalf of internship program at this foundation, your activity will also be reported to your institution. So before that, uh, I want to know everyone, since I did not conduct any interview, all those interviews are conducted by the organization member. So I will start with Bhakti. You just have to introduce yourself and your name, your semester, and your interest. What do you want to become after completing law? On the basis of your uh, introduction, I will be deciding what kind of assignment should be granted to all of you. So, Bhakti, please.
Good evening, sir. My name is Bhakti Girl. I am from first semester and I want to become a corporate lawyer after completing my law.
Okay. Next, Bhumi. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. My name is Bhumi Varshney. I'm a first semester law student at Lloyd Law College, and I want to become a corporate lawyer.
Okay. Diksha.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening.
So, myself Diksha Singh, and I'm in my first sem from Lloyd Law College, and I want to become a corporate lawyer after completing my 5 years law degree.
Okay, corporate.
Yes, sir.
Okay, another Diksha, I think Diksha Singh.
So I was discussing.
Uh, Two name are visible here. Is the same account? Same person?
I I don't know, sir. I have logged in from my account only.
Another Diksha Singh is there having different display picture. Okay. Next is Kiran Gujar.
Good evening, sir.
My name is Kiran Gujar. I am a first year student from Lloyd Law College. I want to become a corporate lawyer.
Hmm. Malka.
Good evening, sir. I am Malka Varis and I am in first semester and I want to become a corporate lawyer after completing this degree.
Okay. Niharika.
Good evening, sir. My name is Niharika Pawar. I'm first semester student at Lloyd Law College. I want to become a corporate lawyer.
And Nikita.
Good evening, sir. I'm Nikita Singh, and I'm in my first semester at Lloyd Law College, and I want to become a corporate lawyer after completing my degree.
Rishita.
Sir, my name is Rishita Verma. I'm a first semester student at Lloyd Law College. M- Initially, my interest was inclined towards judiciary, but right now I'm exploring, and my interest is inclined towards international law. Thank you.
So, what do you want to become?
So right now I have not thought of. I'm exploring.
Okay. Roshni.
Yes, good evening, sir. My name is Roshni and I am a first semester and I want to become an advocate in criminal civil. Yes,
Okay. Shruti.
Good evening, sir. My name is Shruti, and I'm in LLB first year, first SAM, and I am also a little confused between corporate and criminal lawyer. So, after knowing more about this LL law, I'll decide.
Okay. Sneha.
Good evening, sir. My name is Sneha Sani. I'm in the first year. I'm from Lloyd Law College, and I want to become corporate lawyer.
Swasti.
good evening, sir. I am Swasti. I am a first year student I'm from Lloyd Law College. I want to first explore law so that I could find that what I want to become before, like, it's too early to say what I want to become.
Tanishka.
Good evening, sir. My name is Tanishka Nigam, and I'm a first year student from Lloyd Law College, and I want to become a judge.
Okay. Judge. So, maybe you would be there to judge the program too.
Hope so.
Tanishka Nigam. Yes. So, what I observed is majority of them are those who are inclined towards corporate sector, right? Only one student is there who wish to be a litigant as an advocate, but majority of them are those who wants to become a corporate lawyer, and some of them are those who did not decide yet. So let me know among you how many of you belongs to B only LLB program. Roshni, you're from LLB. Shruti and Malka. Only three student of. Okay. Okay. See what happens. Like you, I was also a law student, and during my law school, I had no such knowledge about it, like what I want to become. But only the thing that I know was I want to become an advocate. But how to prepare for that, and what other opportunities could be after completing law, whether I will be able to join corporate sector or not, whether I will be a good lawyer or not, nothing was there during my law school. Just I had to study, and there is only one path, that once I complete law, I will be enroll myself and become an advocate. That's all. But later on, once after completing law, I thought to pursue as a as an advocate and practice at courts. But also, I thought I heard majority of them, mostly girls, are going towards corporate sector, corporate side. They used to apply for law firm jobs. They used to apply for company jobs as a legal counsel. Mostly corporate sector activities they want to acknowledge, just because there is a stability, there is a salary, and there is a, mostly the stability in future. That's why they wish to join corporate sector. Besides this corporate sector, if we talk about this litigation, this corporate practicing field, what happens initially, we are not aware how to pursue this practicing field. Initially we approach senior lawyer, they offer less salary, they offer less cooperation, and whatever we learn we try to practice, and it takes time, years and years to learn few things, and then become an independent advocate. It takes at least 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, and there's no stability, there's no promising salary, there's no uh, you know the opportunity for the, only the thing is you need to solicit client by any means, and once you get the client you have to practice it. The more cases you would be having, the more you would be a good lawyer. That's all. But in case of corporate sector, you just need to be prepare yourself, be eligible, apply for job, give interview, and join it. There will be less salary initially, later on there will be hike in salary as per your experiences, as per your work. So I have explored both the field. Initially I also given interview, I have also given uh, I have also contributed my services to in corporate sector as well, and presently I'm a practicing advocate. So as you said, you want to become a corporate lawyer, so maybe 3 years law there, or 5 years, how you have to pursue, if you have prepared yourself or you want to prepare yourself only for the corporate sector, then you have to ascertain few things. First, during this 3 year or 5 year law, how many corporate internship do you have? First thing, how many corporate internship you pursue. Secondly, how many publications, because publications also matters. How many drafts you have prepared as a sample, how many uh, job you have, I mean part-time job, or what we can say, stipend based internship programs you have done under corporate firms. These things will matter. Along with that, your personality includes your communication language. Your English must be at such level that it could be considered for the corporate sector. They do not accept those students who are average in communication, who are not able to represent themselves in the best way. So these kinds of things arises. My job is During this internship program, I want to assign you such kind of work where these work may be helpful as a sample for your corporate sector, may be helpful for your further learning. Okay, so from 1st of October, we will be having multiple tasks, multiple work. Just 1 second, please. Yes. So first of all, tell me how many of you have access to laptop? Malka, Roshni, Shruti, Rishita, Diksha, Nikita, Bhakti. Okay. Okay. So how many of you are there who doesn't have access to the computer or laptop? Sneha, you don't have access?
Can you repeat your question, please?
Do you have a laptop or access to computer?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay. Who doesn't have access or doesn't have laptop? Please tell me. Yes, Tanishka. What is the issue?
Sir, right now I don't have access to the laptop.
Do you visit college daily basis?
Yes, sir.
And there's a library, there's a lab, computer lab, I think.
Yes, sir.
So you can also access computer lab, right, in your
Yes,
college.
sir.
Okay. See, those who doesn't have access, I will be giving some other kind of task, and those who have access, I will be giving other task. We have daily basis task available on portal. Also, we are going to publish a new book on corporate law. Corporate law includes company law, competition law, banking laws, everything. So, majorly, we are going to include company laws topics in our upcoming publication. And also, we are going to prepare a draft on PIL. Since you are in a first year and you will be exploring multiple things, and every day you will be getting some different news that the PIL was filed before the High Court, before the Supreme Court, and there will be surprising things that most of the law students are there in filing PIL. So how they are able to file PIL, how they are able to file, how they are able to uh, plead before the court, whether being a law student they are able to argue before the court. So how it is done, what's the process? Suppose if there's any matter and you think there must be PIL filed before the High Court or Supreme Court, how you have to prepare it, where you have to file it, how it will be considered, whose help is required, these things will be the questions in your mind. So I will be conducting PIL class every Saturday and Sunday. Within 30 days, 8 to 10 classes will be conducted, and during these classes I will be teach you practical learning. I will take one of the topic as a subject matter, as a topic for the PIL, and then on that topic you'll have to start research, gather content, and then prepare. uh, I will be providing you draft, sample formats, and every day I will be checking whoever has completed draft or not, whoever has added some of the paragraphs or not, whoever has done research or not. I will be checking everything. Each student will be there to show their draft. I will be asking to each question, each student. Okay, because every student who are here presently for internship program, ultimately we have to prepare a report and submit to the director. So I want everyone to take interest, don't leave the program, and also whatever you are offered to learn, try to learn it. Like you, I was also a student, and when I had a chance to learn during internship programs, it's my duty to learn. It's not always that I don't find interest, so I will not be pursuing. It may create a bad impact, unprofessionalism, and also since the report is to be prepared, so positivity is always required. Secondly, from 1st of October, Sneha, yes, tell me, any question? Sneha, do you have any question? No. Okay. See, from 1st of October, on the website of advocatepedia.com, there's a website where all of your submission will be reflecting, and your internship will be governed through internship.advocatepedia.com. That is a link where you have already registered. First of all, I will be verifying your account right now. So one by one, I want you to mention your name. So I will be verifying your account so that you will be able to access your assignments. Yes, anyone?
Samalka Varis.
Malika. Malka Waris, I have verified your account. Next,
Sir Swasti.
Swasti spelling please. Spelling please.
SWASTHI.
Okay, THI.
Sir, it's SWASTHI.
Yes, account is verified. Next,
So Diksha
Bhumi.
Singh.
Diksha Singh. Yes, account is verified. Next,
Sir, Bhumi Vashne.
Sir Bhakti Garg.
Bhumi and Bhakti. Bhumi, your date of joining is November 1st. Is it incorrectly mentioned?
नो सर, एक्चुअली मुझे नवंबर में ही करनी थी.
Okay. But your college has recommended for the month of October.
आई हैव नो इशू.
You want to pursue for the month of October?
सर नवंबर हो सकता है तो
We have no such issue in that, but the only thing is, all your name was recommended for the month of October. In case there's a change, I'll have to consult with your IP, I mean, internship cell department. I'll have to inform them that you are going to pursue in the month of November. Is that will it be fine?
यस सर.
Okay. Okay, I will inform through email, and you can pursue for the month of November.
या अदरवाइज आई हैव कंफर्ट इन अक्टूबर टू.
Okay, so for that you need to change your date of joining, and for that once you are logged in on the portal, you need to go to new internship option. There you'll have to choose the date for joining as 1st October and submit it. That's how it will be corrected. Okay,
ओके सर.
and next,
Sir Nikita.
Sir Bhakti.
yes, Bhakti and then Nikita.
Yes, any.
I will take your name, but just let me verify these two accounts, Bhakti and Nikita. Bhakti Garg, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it is verified now. Next, Nikita. Nikita. Okay, Nikita Singh, right?
Yes, sir.
Done. Next,
Rishita Verma.
Rishita. Rishita Verma. Yes, done. Next, not able to understand. Please repeat. You're not audible.
Sir Roshni Kumari. Sir Sneha Seni.
And before that, who was that? Before Sneha,
Roshni Kumari, sir.
Roshni Kumari. Okay. Yes, Sneha, right? Next, Sneha.
Yes, sir. Sir Kiran Gujjar.
Okay, Sneha done. Kiran. Kiran, where are you from?
Sir, Gujarat, Kutch.
Okay, done. Next,
Niharika Pawar.
Niharika.
Sir, Ritika.
Niharika and Ritika.
Radhika.
Okay, Radhika. Niharika spelling please.
Niharika.
Yes, after Niharika, who's that? Yes, after Niharika.
Radhika.
Radhika. Radhika, did you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Radhika spelling please.
Radhika.
Yes, next.
Sir Shruti Yadav.
Shruti. Yes, next. Nobody left?
Tanishka Nagam.
Tanishka. Next. Nobody? Okay, so among you, I want a student who shows interest for the post of student leader. Swasti and Malka, and next Kiran. Okay, Sneha, Nikita, Shruti also. Next, Shruti, Nikita, Sneha, Kiran, Swasti, Malika, Malka. Any other? Okay, six students are there. Among you, I will be having different posts. I will be assigning you different tasks as well, and each one those who are having internship, other than the student leader, all those students who have shown their interest for the student leadership, I will be assigning different posts. So right now, let me choose by name. I don't know, most of you would be eligible for the post. Do one thing. All six students mention their name in WhatsApp group for the post of student leader. All six. Swasti, Kiran, Nikita, Shruti, Malka, Sneha. Okay, all six. And one of the student, I give task to Sneha to note down the all student name, those who are available right now. If you wish, you can take a screenshot of the list of those students, those who are online. I have to make attendance sheet where I will be mentioning all those student name. So any of you, Sneha, please note down the name of all those students, those who are available. Now all of you are verified on the portal. Yes, Sneha, do you want to say something?
No, sir.
Okay. All of you, your account is verified now. You can access to the assignment. Let me demonstrate the website right now. I will take only 5 minutes more, and then I'll have to join another meeting. So let me demonstrate very fast. So I'm going to share my screen. Is it visible to all of you? Can you
Yes,
confirm?
sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is a main page. After you log into the portal, always remember, do not confuse with the main website. It is advocatepedia.com is the main website, but you are redirected to internship.advocatepedia.com. You can write down internship.advocatepedia.com is the website where the portal is there. You need to log in on that portal, and your internship will be governed through that portal. From your joining letter to your certificates, everything is there on the portal. Your joining letter, your assignment, your submission, your track record, your attendance, and your certificate. Everything will be provided through this portal only. So as you can see, this is the main page where you can find one of the option, internship. Internship option is one of the category where you can find everything related to your internship, and this is a timeline where you can find topics which are allotted to you as per the schedule. For each topic you have been granted 5 days to submit your assignment. This one is a start new internship, where if you wish to start new internship for the next duration or for any other date, this is the option. To download your joining letter, you can go to this option. In case you are unable to submit your assignment on time within 30 days, there is an option to extend your deadline. Now coming to the main point, that is assignment. So once you click on assignment option, there are two options: daily assignment, topic article. Once you click on daily assignment, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since my internship is expired, so let me, for just to show you demo, I'm going to start my internship program, suppose from today, for 1 month, and I submitted this. I don't know I will be able to create it or not, but in case if it is visible to you, let me show as it is. Maybe there is a server issue right now. So what happens in your assignment option, there are two options. First is daily assignment, second is topics for article. Daily assignment includes, yes, so let me go to this option, daily assignment. So this is a daily assignment. First is about court, Supreme Court cases, order or judgment. Second is Indian Bear Act. So once your date begins from 1st of October, you can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These five numbers will be having its title of the case, Supreme Court case title will be there. And similarly, 6 to 10 will be for Bear Act. So Bear Act name will be visible, and even instructions are given there. So once the title of the Supreme Court judgment visible, you need to click on that title, and editing box will be there where you have to fill the information means the content of that of the judgment. So the judgment includes order and judgment. If there is a judgment is having 500 pages, 1000 pages, so you just have to provide summary or synopsis of that judgment within 500 words. And if there is a order, one liner order or one page order, then you can provide the order, or judge or one liner pages, you can just provide uh, as it is original. You don't have to modify or alter anything. For providing, simply you can click on that title, and you will be granted uh, the visible, I mean the editing box will be visible there. You just have to copy paste the order, and if there is a judgment, then you have to add the content whatever you have written in synopsis within minimum 500 words. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Any of you is unable to understand the fact? Yes, tell me. Any of you? First to five will be Supreme Court judgment name. 6 to 10 will be Indian Barracks name. Each topic will be clickable. Simply you need to click on that topic to submit your assignment. If there is a order, then provide original order in textual form. We are not asking you to provide MS Word file. We are not asking you to provide PDF file. There is no such option to upload. Only textual format will be there. For that, editing box will be appearing. Only you have to type, or you can copy paste and submit it. As you submit, that will be reflecting under my articles. Similarly, for the Indian Bear Act, once you click on that Indian Bear Act option, you will be asked how many sections are there in that Bear Act. You need to go through the Bear Act and note down how many sections. You can just mention in digit that 30, 50, or 100, 200 sections. Whatever section, exact section you need to code, you need to mention in digit. As example, for example, there are 511 sections were there in IPC, then you could have mentioned 511. And that's how editing box will be appearing, where you have to provide the provision of all sections. Understood? In case any of you have problem, you can ask me anytime. Secondly, this is all about daily assignment. Every day you will be granted new assignment on this page, new case name, new barrack name, daily basis. Those who doesn't have access to laptop, you can consult me personally, so that I may grant you some other assignment which will not be related to the frequent use of laptop. Secondly, for submission, there's a time, fixed time between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. During this period, you can submit these assignment anytime. Okay. Next, let me show you another assignment. Article topics. 6 topics are visible. These 6 topics are there by default, but I want you to write only one topic, which I will allot you separately, since all of you belongs to, I mean, shows your interest for corporate sector. So I will be assigning you different assignment, which will be related to publication in book. We are about to publish a new book within 2 to 3 months. For that, we are assigning topics from company law. So all of you will be granted separate only one topic and five other topics that will be related to company law. And all those topic may be having uh, five topics for these submitting on website, one topic for the book that will be assigned you separately. So that's why all these 6 topics are exempted. Means you don't have to submit any of those topics available in this list. Okay. So It means topics article is exempted for you. I will be assigning you separately, and daily assignment is there for daily basis. You have to complete it. And Saturday, Sunday, join online classes. That's all. You have to be active in group. For any communication or announcement, I will be sharing information in the group. Okay. Sneha, you have to prepare list of those students who are available right now, and all those six students who have shown interest for the student leadership. I will be deciding and appointing on different posts. For that, different certificates will be granted too. I hope everything is clear. If any of you have any question, you can ask me. Yes, please ask. No question? Yes, please. Whoever has question, please ask.
So I have a personal question I want to ask you.
Mhm.
Can you share your journey from working in the corporate sector to pursuing advocacy?
What do you want? Please repeat.
So, can you share your journey? Jour-
Journey.
can you share your journey? Yeah, so that's a journey from working in the corporate sector to pursuing advocacy.
Okay. See what happened. Maybe all of you are aware or not. I am an alumni of Lloyd College, and at that time, presently there is a director, Salim sir, right? During my time, there was no such strictness. There was no such mandatory classes, and we used to bunk the classes. And uh, first to second year, we just had to attend the classes, and then when we found that there is no such strictness, I used to go to the court at that time. And after completing my BLLB program, I thought to go to, uh, for initially, I thought to go to corporate firms. And since my journey is slight different, during my college time, I had to build such kind of database as Wikipedia is. So I started working on that project separately. And from that college, around 20 students were there in my team, and we built and formed an NGO on the basis of our motto. And then we started working for that purpose. So once I completed my law, initially I was not able to, I mean, I had no time to go for job or any other thing, since I was completely engaged in this NGO and its projects. A lot of works are there. Even government had funded, even the ministerial projects were there. So instead of seeking job, I had created job for my on batch students. When there was a first program uh, in 2018, when there was 80 companies were invited, and there was campus selection, and most of the students were there. Even my batch fellows were there who were ready to apply for this job opportunity in all those 80 companies. And even I was also recommended by some of my fellow that I should apply for job. But instead of applying for job, since there was no need to apply for job at that time, I had a need in my organization. So from even Lloyd College, I was invited, and among 18 companies, I was one of them. So I conducted an interview and hired 16 students from Lloyd College. Those among them, those students are there who are my classmates too. So a very rare happens that a student, instead of seeking job, has created job and provided job to their own batchmates. So that was my experience. That was my journey. But later on, Instead, I had my interest in litigation. I wanted to explore corporate sector. So I started preparing myself, and there was number of opportunities arises arised at that time, and I thought that I should apply and give an interview to number of companies. All those companies, it is not I'm not so fortunate that everyone has accepted me. The majority of them also rejected me on the basis of some of them said you did not have corporate background, you did not prepare any agreement, you did not prepare any such kind of formats. Some of them said there's a lack of communication skill. There's some of them said there's a every different companies had different issues. So these are my learning experience. I prepared myself and did the job in some of the companies just to gain some experiences. Only 1 to 2 years I had job where merger acquisitions and these kinds of transactional activities, MOU between the companies, NCLT works, these kinds of activities were there in corporate sector. I did it, but I shifted to uh, litigation field and become a practicing advocate. That is all my journeys. But whatever I had learned, I had given interview to 10 to 15 companies. The different companies has different experiences. So that's what I teach to the students, that they must prepare yourself in such a way that they must be selected, because rejection sometimes degrade and demoralize, and acceptance always uplift the student. So prepare for that. In your college, number of opportunities arises and taking participating in number of works and programs. These may enhance your experiences. Be a debatable, uh, be a speaker wherever you get opportunities. That's how you can uh, improve your communication, you can improve your presentation skill, and these things matters in corporate sector. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir, for sharing this and
Yeah.
giving such information too.
Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you so much. You may leave, all of you may leave, and rest of the details will be shared in the group. Thank you.
सर
Yes.
एक्चुअली मेरा ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन और था कि मेरा नवंबर में मैंने करा था तो वो नवंबर के लिए मुझे अभी मिल जाएगा या फिर
As you said, you are comfortable for October, you can choose October. In case there's for November, you can let it be like this. Just inform me that you have opted for November. I will share email to college to inform them. That's all.
ओके सर सो इसमें सर आप शेयर कर दीजिएगा ईमेल नवंबर के लिए भी
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
थैंक यू सर
So I have a question.
Yes, Roshni.
In assignments, अगर हमें need हुई for the charts paper for making, तो हम कहाँ से help ले सकते हैं? Because we are a learner, so
Yeah, Roshni, please repeat. You are a learner. Then.
actually, I say that we are learner, तो अगर in assignments, how can help each any person? तो हमें कैसे help, मतलब अगर हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आया
Mhm.
तो हम कैसे किसी की हेल्प ले सकते हैं इन योर टीम?
Yes, definitely. See, that's why I have given chance to students among you to represent entire team, entire students, and there will be a student leader. I will be sharing details to the student leader, and if there's any such issue, you can consult with the student leader. Also, I may include some of my team member, like earlier, those who has conducted interview, Miss Maria was there. She would also be there to assist you. And among you, student leader will be there who would be knowing all the details about this internship, how you can get your assignment, how you can submit your assignment, on which date you have to submit your assignment, everything. So these may be helpful for you, and further, in case nobody is responding or there is some issue, then you can contact me directly. Will it be helpful?
Okay, okay, yes, sir.
Yes, Swasti.
Sir, I wanted to ask that are we supposed to complete the assignment day on regular basis or it is weekly?
See, daily assignment is for regular basis. Every day you will be getting different assignment. These are the activity that will let you know what kind of judgments are there and what kinds of bare acts are there. Since most of them are first year law students, so that's why these activities are mandatory for them. Rest, I will be assigning a list containing topics and their name. So that will be useful for within 30 days. You have to submit that one topic only, and that will be helpful for your corporate career. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Any other question? Nobody? Then you may leave. Diksha.
Sir,
Yes.
can you please re-mention the link which we have mentioned earlier?
Yes, I'm going to share in the group too. It is internship.advocatepedia.com, where you have to log in by putting your roll number of that portal, not your college. Okay. As you have
Okay, thank you.
registered, you in the name of username, roll number is granted. So you can put roll number under username and your password, and then you can log in. Your account is verified. You can simply go to assignment option, check daily assignments, and do submit online. In case any issue, you can contact us anytime. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, then I'm leaving this class. Thank you. Nice to talk to you, all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the great
Thank you,
presentation.
sir.